Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam light bulbs on this 2021 Chevy Colorado. Should be about the same on all the little S10 or Colorado, Canyon, all these kind of little trucks. Should be about the same. Takes a 9005 and it's real simple. Takes about a minute. First thing you got to do is get the hood up. Next thing we need to do is remove the rear cover from the back of the high beam headlight. If you look on the back side, directly behind the high beam, you'll see this cover here. Just grab hold and give it a little twist. You want to go counterclockwise. That'll give you access to your high beam light bulb. Just want to push down on this right here. There's just a little tab that holds the wiring. Give it another twist counterclockwise. Pull out. There's your bulb. Then we'll get a new bulb. Install it. Reverse order. Plug it back in. So you line those little nubs up. There's like 5 of them. Just spin it around till it pops in. And we're good. Close our hood. Turn them on. Now that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching.